Good morning friends, I am Sunana from Maths Infinity. Today we are continuing with our topic geometry. In geometry we will discuss quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a figure formed by joining of four line segments. In my previous video I have already discussed that a polygon. In polygon we have discussed about triangle. What is triangle? A figure formed by joining of three line segments. A figure formed by joining of three line segments is known as triangle. And today we are discussing about quadrilateral. That means a figure formed by joining of four line segments A, B, C and D. AB, BC, CD and DA. These four line segments when we join, then the figure formed is known as quadrilateral. And plane figure means having only, we are discussing about two dimensions. So when we discuss about solid figures, that means we are discussing about three dimensions. So today our topic is quadrilateral and we will discuss about the type of quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? A figure formed by joining of three line segments. Joining of three line segments. Four line segments. When we join four line segments, the figure formed is known as quadrilateral. Now we will discuss about different types of quadrilateral. The types of quadrilateral we will discuss is, first one is our parallelogram. Second one is square. Next one is rectangle. Then rhombus. And last one is trapezium. These types of quadrilateral we will discuss, and the main difference between these fours we will discuss, because many of time we have confusions about these type of quadrilateral. So today we will discuss about these types of quadrilateral. What is the main difference between these quadrilateral? हम इन क्वेश्चंस को कैसे करेंगे? फिगर बना के इन क्वेश्चंस को माइंड में फिट करेंगे कि इनमें क्या प्रॉपर्टी सेम है और क्या डिफरेंट है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. First one is parallelogram. With this we will discuss about our square, and then rectangle, and then about square, rectangle and rhombus. So parallelogram, what is parallelogram? A figure formed by joining of four line segment is known as trapezium, known as our quadrilateral. Now this is parallelogram. So what properties? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB is equal to BC. And our BC is equal to AD. These two sides are equal and parallel. And these are parallel also. AB is parallel to DC and your BC is parallel to AD. Clear? Now this is the property where opposite sides are parallel. What about diagonals? So they intersecting at point O. Diagonals equal नहीं होते parallelogram में. Diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means they are dividing each other into two parts. Diagonal bisect each other. Half part में divide करते हैं. OA is equal to OC and our OB is equal to OD. First of all about sides, then about diagonal, and now angles. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles जो होंगे वो इनमें equal होंगे. Angle B is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle D, and angle A is equal to angle C. This is all about parallelogram. This is all about parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे को, इक्वल नहीं है, सिर्फ टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. एंड अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पैरेलल. नाउ स्क्वायर. नाउ वी आर राइटिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ स्क्वायर. इन स्क्वायर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. A, B, C, D is a square. First of all, we have to discuss about sides. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to BA. All sides are equal. Now about diagonals. Diagonals equal होंगे. Diagonals are equal. Bisect each other at right angle. Bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. So OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD and bisect each other at right angle. Now about angles. First of all about sides के बारे में हमें बताना है. Then about diagonals. And now about angle. All angles are equal. Angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to, angle D. All angles are equal and of 90 degree. सभी angles क्या है? 90 degree. जबकि parallelogram में क्या था? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. But in square, each angle of 90 degree. Now rectangle. What about rectangle? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This is our rectangle ABCD. So what about side? First of all, AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and your AB is parallel to DC. And our BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD and BC is parallel to AD. BC is, these two sides are parallel and equal. Now about diagonal. Diagonal के बारे में, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are equal. जैसे square में diagonals equal है, वैसे rectangle में भी diagonals are equal. In rectangle, diagonals are equal. AC is equal. This is about side. Now we are talking about diagonal. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD and bisect each other. वो bisect भी करेंगे. So OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OB is equal to OD. Diagonal bisect each other and equal. And now about angle. First we will discuss about side, then about diagonal and third property about angle. Now here, first of all we are talking about side, then about diagonal and now angle. All angles are equal and are of 90 degree. Angle B, C, D, all are of right angle. All are of right angle. Now what about rhombus? What about rhombus? Rhombus, this is the shape of rhombus. But in rhombus, all sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal. तो all sides तो square में भी equal होती है. But in square, each angle is of 90 degree. But यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. Sides AB is equal. All sides are equal. A, B, C, D. AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CD is equal to DA. All sides are equal. But angles 90 के नहीं है. Now what about diagonals? Diagonals are here, but in square diagonals are equal. Rhombus में equal नहीं है. In rhombus diagonal bisect करते हैं. Bisect each other at right angle. यहाँ भी diagonal bisect each other at right angle, but here diagonals are equal. But in rhombus diagonals are, ये main difference है इनमें. Diagonals are not equal. Only diagonal bisect each other. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Diagonal bisect each other at right angle. ये property use होती है when we have to find the side. साइड ऑफ रोम्बस जब हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है तो हम इस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करते हैं कि ये राइट एंगल है तो ये हाइपोटेन्यूस हो जाएगा, दिस बेस एंड दिस परपेंडिकुलर. Clear? Now last one about angles. Angles are also not of 90 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Here angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. These are the main differences between parallelogram, square, rhombus and rectangle. So main comparison which we have to knowledge about this, that square and rhombus. In square all sides are equal, in rhombus all sides are equal. In square diagonal bisect each other, in rhombus bisect each other. At right angle, but diagonals are equal in square but unequal in rhombus. And here in square each angle of 90 degree, but in rhombus opposite angles are equal. Clear? So next is last our quadrilateral, that is trapezium. That is trapezium. Trapezium, the shape of trapezium is like this. This is trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. One pair of opposite side. This is our trapezium. A, B, C, D. So one pair of opposite side is parallel. Any one of that side, that pair can be. So here pair is AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. ये equal नहीं है, these are unequal. So what is the name of this trapezium? A, B, C, D. And how we define trapezium? Where one pair of opposite side is parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. And if any case these sides are equal, if another pair is equal, then that trapezium, if our AD is equal to BC, वन पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड जो है अगर वो इक्वल हो जाती है साइड्स, देन द ट्रेपेजियम इज नोन एज आइसोसेल्स. आइसोसेल्स ट्रेपेजियम. आइसोसेल्स ट्रेपेजियम. तो उस ट्रेपेजियम का नेम क्या होगा? आइसोसेल्स ट्रेपेजियम. ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन में आता है कि हमें जो ट्रेपेजियम गिवन है दैट इज आइसोसेल्स ट्रेपेजियम. सो वी मस्ट हैव नॉलेज अबाउट दिस, दैट व्हाट इज आइसोसेल्स ट्रेपेजियम मीन्स one pair of non-parallel side. ये कौन सी sides है? This is our parallel sides and this is non-parallel side. So this non-parallel side must be equal. ये non-parallel sides हमारी क्या होनी चाहिए? Equal. So these are the basic types of quadrilateral about which we must have a clear concept that this is the shape of quadrilateral and these are the properties of this quadrilateral. So इसके basis पे हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं कि एग्जाम में कैसे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन 1.